Hey guys, welcome back to Little Monster Eats. I have another What I Eat in a Week episode for you, and I'm pretty excited about this one. I have, as usual, my grocery list and my meal plan here on the side, but I'm gonna dive right in and show you exactly what I made. So to start with breakfast, I have chia seed pudding, and then to that I have here some fresh strawberries and blueberries that I topped off. And another breakfast that I have here are English muffin. I have some ham, cheese, and egg in this. So I made several of those, reheated in the morning, and they're good to go. So for lunch, I have here some chicken that I marinated and I grilled off. And with that, I actually made several different meals with it. So let me show you what I have. This is what I had left over from that. I have here I guess kind of like a bento box. I have the same grilled chicken, some tomatoes, some roasted onions, and then I have some chickpeas. I have some cucumber slices, pita bread, and then I have some tzatziki sauce. And then I also made a little Buddha bowl. So this is again with the same grilled chicken. I roasted some sweet potato, some broccolini. I have some roasted tomatoes as well. And then I used the same chickpea mixture, and it's actually on top of some brown rice, which I can't really show you. There you go, some brown rice. To that, I made a tahini dressing to go with it, and that will top it off. And I'll probably add some tzatziki sauce to that as well. So the same bowl, but this one has no chicken in it. So this is going to be a vegetarian option. So if you guys want to follow the recipe that I'm going to leave in the link below, you can leave the chicken out and it's going to be the same thing. Same roasted vegetables, just minus the chicken. So another lunch option I have here are yakisoba noodles. These are basically just noodles. You can probably just get away with using spaghetti noodles with it, but in there I have some mushrooms, some broccoli, and some carrots. So for dinner I have here bibimbap, which is a Korean beef. It's a shredded beef. Here I have some onion and some garlic that I cooked with it. And then I have 2 runny yolk eggs to go with that over a bed of white rice. Right there is a little dollop of gochujang sauce. So it's a hot sauce that will go really well once blended together. I have here a side of kimchi and some pickled cucumbers as well to eat with this meal. And then now time for some snacks. So I went to Trader Joe's earlier, so I did a little shopping there. I found here chocolate chip brownie and oat bars. Brandon saw that and I think he really loved it because it was chocolate. But I don't know if you guys ever tried this before, but I'm hoping this will taste good. I also found this chewy granola bar. This is one of the 2 flavors they had. It's called Raises the Bar. This is the one that was maple flavor, but they had another one that was chocolate chip as well. With that, I found this huge bag of raisins, and I think this will be a nice little snack just to eat. I was hoping to maybe also use it to make up some granola maybe next week. So that I have here in a little container. I also have like a little Asian mix here. I think these are just like little snacks that they have. This one I kind of got individual bags and then I put it together myself. So we have like some sesame crackers, and then this one has some seaweed around it, and this one is like a little peanut ball. And then what else? Oh, I got my usual carrots and celery combination, so can't forget about that. They work so well. With that, I have here some pre-made hummus and the tzatziki sauce that I use for my other meals. I actually just got at Trader Joe's instead. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this one, but it is so good. The cucumbers are very chunky in this one, so it has like great flavor, and it'll go really well with these carrots and celery sticks as well. So that is what I have for this week. It's a lot of food. However, I think because I had a little extra help from some prepackaged stuff already, it made things go really easily. And as you guys can see, everything was kind of like mixed up. So the chicken I was able to use to make multiple meals, and that actually is really helpful when it comes to meal prepping. But I will go ahead and leave a couple of the recipes in the link below. And if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. As always, thanks for watching and have a monsterific day. Bye.